Yeah.
I will talk about the disadvantages of the ecotourism have to the Tayrona parks. A consequence that ecotourism have to the Tayrona that it can bring infrastructures that not may help the nature and the environment of the park. It can develop a lot of problems and develop grown, grown activities for the animal species. Also, there's there's a declining of the number of animal species that live in the park. So there is a bad moment to experiment about ecotourism and bring so many bad ideas for the park, and it can be damage the the animal species and the nature. Also, there's another argument that the ecotourism is wrong for this park. There's sometimes traditions that the native people have in their park. They they talk about in the beach. They talk about the nature and the another aspects that they have. One of the person of the community talks about the the problems that the ecotourism have in there. He said that they don't don't really needs other people in this park. They needs to talk about the nature and the traditions they have.
At Caño Cristales, ecotourism heavily impacts the ecosystem, bringing plus environmental consequences such as massive mass contamination and pollution, the overuse, the water sources, more unnecessary waste and destruction and fragmentation in natural habitat. This side the tourists I worry about trekking and this place because it is the Paris the pollution because it is disappear people will find someone else spend their summer vacation locally they are locally there are several laws that protect the ecosystem and regulate the mistreatment towards it.
The National Park of Tayrona is a coastal mountain in the Caribbean Sea. It has archaeological remains of an ancient city of the Tayrona people. It is free pass and it offers a lot of activities like archaeology, trekking, diving, snorkeling and camping. Also, it provides typical dishes of the region. Tourism had been a visible objective, the animal species decrease. Now, it has a clear objective which consists in promote the ecosystem conservation, increase the resources, the quality and involves the community. Also, the entrepreneur and the ambientalist are according to create awareness and respect to the culture and the people that live in this part. Additionally, the people of this community is integrated, benefit and employed to work in these places.